I see Christ through my friends at school when they offer me advice and give me wisdom to point me towards God when I'm having a hard time.
One way I see God in every day-to-day life is when I see people helping their friends with struggles and emotional support and being there every time when they need it.
I see Christ when my parents are patient with me and when my siblings are caring.
I see Jesus in my dad. I can go to him whenever I feel down or upset about anything, and he always helps me out and stuff. Yeah.
I see Jesus today in how God's peace is shared through the church.
I see God in intramural hockey when we pray before the games.
I saw Christ through one of my friends. He helped me with a math lesson that I didn't quite understand. It was really nice of him, and I just saw Jesus through that.
I see Christ at church, at home, at school. Can you just show love to others? You go to church, you worship him.
Yeah, I see God in my life through my dad. Even when he has long, rough days at work, sometimes he still comes home and shows us patience, and even when we're talking to him, still is very patient, even if he's upset.
I see Jesus in other people's actions when they do small things for other people, such as reaching out when someone is sad to make sure they're okay mentally, and when they help others and make sure everyone is included in the activities.
I see God through playing on the sports teams, such as the soccer team, and praying before the games.
I see God's work in light through the staff members of the school, because even when I have a tough time with an assignment, they're always here to help me, and they're very loving and kind.
All right, so some places where I see Christ in my life would be church. For example, people are really nice, they're also kind,
Definitely my family. When you're just in a situation where it's so specific, it's just so specific, and someone walks in and somehow answers it without them even knowing.
I see Christ in my life through nature, on my morning walks, when I go outside, in the trees and the flowers, even in my communities and at school. I see in the classrooms, in the communities, just assemblies. He's honestly just everywhere in devotionals and everything.